In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an academic slide deck with Genspark AI slides. By the end, you'll have a polished, research-ready presentation built efficiently with your ideas front and center. First, open Genspark and sign in to your account. It's best to use a modern browser so everything loads smoothly. Once you're in, take a moment to check that your profile and default settings match your needs. For example, your preferred language or theme, so the workspace feels comfortable before you start building. Next, start a new AI slides project. Look for the option to create or start a presentation and select the AI slides tool. This sets up a blank canvas where the assistant can structure content for you. If you're presenting in a class or at a conference, keep the expected length in mind so you can guide the slide count later. Now enter your academic topic, research points, or outline. Be as specific as possible. Include your thesis, key arguments, data highlights, and any must-include references. If you already have an outline, paste it in with headings and subpoints. The clearer your input, the more relevant the output will be. Ask Genspark to build a clear presentation with sections like an introduction, findings, and a conclusion. You can nudge the structure by mentioning background, methodology, analysis, and implications if they apply to your field. Specify your audience level, undergraduate, graduate, or professional, and request an academic tone. If you have a target slide count or need figures and definitions included, state that here to shape the initial draft. Review the generated slides for accuracy and academic tone. Read every claim carefully. Verify statistics, dates, and terminology against your sources. Check that the narrative flows logically from context to evidence to takeaway. Ensure the language is objective, precise, and free of casual phrasing, and that any claims are grounded rather than speculative. Edit headings, charts, citations, or visuals as needed. Strengthen headings with clear, parallel phrasing. Replace generic visuals with discipline-appropriate charts or diagrams, and label axes and units consistently. Add or correct citations to match your style guide and include a references slide. Tighten wordy text, break dense content across slides, and use speaker notes for details you'll explain verbally. Finally, save or export the final academic deck. Choose the format your class or venue prefers, such as PowerPoint or PDF, and name the file clearly. Do a last pass for layout consistency, check links, and confirm readability on both large and small screens. That's it. Your academic slide deck is ready to present with confidence.